This recipe makes about 30 25-gram lemon poppy seed crinkle cookies. These cake-like cookies are sweetly spiced with poppy seeds, fresh vanilla bean, and lemon zest. Start by macerating the spices in the sugar. Rub a split vanilla bean, the zest of a lemon, about 10 grams, and 5 grams poppy seeds into 175 grams sugar with your fingertips. Add 30 grams lemon juice with 30 grams rum. Mix well and set the bowl aside for an hour before removing the vanilla bean. In another bowl, sift 250 grams pastry flour with 50 grams barley malt, 5 grams baking powder, 3 grams baking soda, 5 grams salt, and set the bowl aside. Then cream the macerated sugar into 125 grams room temperature butter with 2 large eggs until smooth. Gently mix in the flour mixture and refrigerate the dough for at least an hour or overnight. The dough is very soft and needs to be dusted into 2 different types of sugar. Granulated, then icing sugar to create a crust that breaks apart when the cookie is baked. So work quickly, scooping a 20-gram ball of dough and rolling it to cover with granulated sugar. Refrigerate the balls of dough to firm them up again if necessary, or freeze them to bake fresh later. Then roll the dough balls in icing sugar generously. Spread out evenly on a silicone-lined tray, allowing room for the cookies to spread, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies are done when they flatten, rise up in the center, and the surface is crusted over.